Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller giving you your weekly roundup for the week of March 20th. Hope you all had a great weekend. We have lots in store coming up in April, but first, to round out the end of March, we've got on March 30th, our CPA exam workshop. That is for people who are sitting for the CPA exam and would like to learn a little bit more about what that entails. Definitely get your RSVP in for that so you can learn a little bit more about that. In terms of our CPE, as you know, we have a CFO webinar series all month long for the month of April. So definitely check that out. Lots of good information in there. We have our Spring Awards Banquet on April 28th. We have a nonprofit conference on April 19th. And then we have our Spring Business Conference on April 20th. That includes topics about our legislative update, a state tax update, House Bill 8, which I know is a big thing that everybody has questions on. So we'll be talking about that there as well. We also have some information for you in our news section. You might want to check out some information about the 2023 session, some tax corrections identified in there. So lots of things, lots of good tidbits. Hope you find this of value and have a great week, everybody.